Hi, I'm Joanna, and today I would like to talk about the importance of ecology for GlobalLogic.
As a company, we take responsibility for the impact of our corporate activities on society. Since joining the HITACHI family, we aim to achieve a decarbonized, resource-efficient and harmonized society with nature.
Thanks to HITACHI environmental vision.
The EcoHike app was created on the initiative of a GlobalLogic engineer who noticed a growing amount of illegally thrown waste while hiking. With the support of his colleagues and the use of technologies provided by the organization, he created an app that can now change the situation of Polish hiking trails. No matter how small or big the idea, we always act together to make it come true. GlobalLogic ambassadors saw the need and took action to counter the effects of increased tourism in Tatra National Park, which degraded the environment. We planted 1,000 new maple trees in Tatra National Park, hoping that as a GlobalLogic ambassadors we will inspire more people to give something to nature and take care of the environment. With this activity, we obtained the Eco-Company certificate and took another step towards compensating our CO2 footprint. The new GlobalLogic headquarters in Wrocław was designed to care for the local community and set trends in pro-ecological solutions.
The building has a BREEAM certificate which confirms that it's environmentally friendly and comfortable for users.
We also used eco-friendly solutions such as modern and economical LED lighting, touchless facades to reduce water waste, bicycle rack and repair station, charging station for electric cars, and insects hotel.
In GlobalLogic, we change the world. We design not only with our code and innovations for different sectors, but also with many initiatives at the company and individual employee levels. We strive to make a lasting positive impact. Let's do this together!